Hey there guys, welcome to my walkthrough of the Edexcel June 2017 Foundation GCSE Maths Paper 3. Make sure you check out the description for links to lots of useful content, including my formula video, calculator tricks video, and stuff to help with this paper. Also down there is the playlist containing every Edexcel Foundation past paper walkthrough in one place. Let's do this. Okay, question 1. The table shows the lengths of 5 rivers. Part A wants us to write down the rivers in order of length, starting with the shortest river. Okay, so I'm not going to write them down, but the shortest is the Don, then Mersey, then Trent, then the Thames, and finally the River Severn. Then Amy says that the River Thames is more than 3 times as long as the River Don. We want to show that Amy is correct. Okay, so to work out how many more times, or how many times as long the Thames is as the Don, we do the length of the Thames divided by the length of the Don. So if we do 346 divided by 112, if we go to one decimal place, we get 3.1. So the Thames is 3.1 times as long as the Don. Okay, number 2. Cups are sold in packs and in boxes. There are 12 cups in each pack and 18 cups in each box. Alison buys P packs of cups and P boxes of cups. We want to write down an expression in terms of P and B for the total number of cups Alison buys. Okay, so remember, P and B are just numbers. For example, if we buy 2 packs, we would have 2 times 12 cups, or 12 times 2 cups. If we buy P packs, then we have 12 P cups. And then if we buy B boxes, we have 18 times B. So 18B. Okay, number 3. So we're given 4 digits. 5, 6, 1 and 9. Part A wants us to write down the smallest possible 2-digit number. That can be made with 2 of the digits. Okay, so we want to use the 2 smallest digits, and the very smallest one has to be our tens digit. So the smallest one is 1 and then 5, so it's 15. Okay, then part B wants us to write down the 3-digit number closest to 200. That can be made with 3 of the digits. Okay, so the one that's closest to 200. So the closest hundredths digit that we could use would be 1. Then the closest 10 digit would be 9. And then it's going to be 6. Okay, number 4. 4/5 of a number is 32. We want to work out the number. So, imagine that you're at a pizza place and you've eaten 4/5 of a pizza. And you only pay for what you eat. So let's say we've eaten this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that means then 4 slices has cost us 32. Now, if we find the cost of 1 slice, we can then work out the cost of 5 slices. So 1/5 would be 32 divided by 4. Which is 8. So 1 slice of pizza is worth 8. So now we can either add that onto 32 or multiply it by 5, we get the same. So 32 add 8 is 40. Number 5. Path is made of white tiles and grey tiles. 1/4 of the tiles are white. Part A wants us to write down the ratio of white and grey tiles. Okay, so we're going to have W to G. Now, if 1/4 of the tiles are white, that means for every 4 tiles, 1 is white and 3 are grey. So, as a ratio, that's 1 to 3. Okay then, part B. There are a total of 56 tiles. We want to work out the number of grey tiles. Okay, so essentially, we are splitting 56 in the ratio 1 to 3. So one lot of the ratio is worth 4 tiles. We want to know how many lots of this ratio are in 56. So 56 divided by 4 is 14. So that means there are 14 lots of the ratio in the path. So that means there's 14 lots of 3 grey tiles. So 14 times 3 is 42. Okay, number 6. We're given a list of numbers: 12, 15, 14, 17, 22, 19, and 13. Bridget says to work out the median. You find the middle number, so the median of these numbers is 17. Bridget's answer is not correct. Part A asks us what is wrong with Bridget's method. So she's got the right idea, but you need to put the numbers in order of size, which she hasn't done. part B wants us to work out the range of the numbers in the list. So the range is the biggest, take the smallest. So the biggest number is 22, and the smallest number is 12. So the range is 22, take 12, which is 10. Okay, then part C wants us to work out the mean of the numbers in the list. Okay, so to work out the mean, you need to add all the numbers together. So if we add all of these together, well, remember you can use your calculator. So 12 and 15 is 27, add 14 is 41, add 17 is 58, add 22 is 80, add 19 is 99, add 13 is 112, and then we divide that by the number of numbers. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So 112 divided by 7 is 16. Okay, number 7, Pretty. It's a pretty name. Pretty is going to have a meal. She can choose one starter and one main course. From this list, we want to write down all the combinations Pretty can choose. So, I'm just going to use the first letter of each word. Just keep the time down. So, she can have salad and pasta. She can have salad and rice. She can have salad and a burger. She could have fish and pasta, fish and rice, and fish and a burger. Or she could have melon and pasta, melon and rice, or melon and a burger. Okay, number 8. Joanne wants to buy a dishwasher. Now the dishwasher costs £372. Joanne will pay a deposit of £36. She will then pay the rest of the cost in 4 equal monthly payments. How much is each monthly payment? Okay, so we want to work out how much is left to pay after paying the deposit. So 372 minus 36 is £336. So she's then going to pay that off in 4 equal payments. So we then do 336 divided by 4, and we get £84. Okay, number 9. Davos is a cleaner. The table shows information about the time it will take him to clean each of 4 rooms in a house. So, come back to that. Davos wants to clean all 4 rooms in 1 day. Davos will have breaks for a total of 75 minutes. Davos is going to start cleaning at 9 AM. Will he finish cleaning by 4 PM? You must show all your working. Okay, so let's first of all then, so he's gonna start at 9 AM. Now, I'm gonna just go through each bit of time and add it on to 9 AM. So, let's do his breaks. 75 minutes is 1 hour 15 minutes. So that's going to take us to 10:15 AM. Okay. Now the kitchen is going to take him 2 hours. So that's going to take us to 12:15 PM. The sitting room is going to take him 1 hour 40 minutes. So 1 hour is going to take us to 1:15, and the 40 minutes takes us to 1:55. The bedroom then takes us 1.5 hours, so that's 1 hour 30 minutes. So 1 hour would take us to 2:55. 5 minutes would take us to 3. We then got 25 more minutes, so that's going to take us to 3:25. And then finally, the bathroom takes 45 minutes. So 5 minutes would take us to 3:30. We then got 40 minutes to add on, so that's going to take us to 4:10. So remember the question asked, will he finish by 4 PM? So the answer is no. Okay, number 10, ABC is a straight line. The length AB is 5 times the length BC. A to C, so the length of the line altogether is 90 centimeters. Work out the length AB. Okay, so it's ratio again. So we know that AB is 5 times the length of BC. So we can say that AB to BC is 5:1. So we need to split 90 in the ratio 5:1. So 5 and 1 is 6. So 1 lot of the ratio is worth 6. We then need to know how many lots of the ratio are in 90. So 90 divided by 6 is 15. So then AB is 5 times 15 which is 75, and it's centimetres. Cool. So we could also have done that a different way, because we know that AB is 5 times BC. If we call BC x, then we know that AB is 5x. Altogether, we know 6x is 90. So we could find x by dividing by 6. And then get AB again by multiplying by 5. Really, we're doing exactly the same thing, it's just dressed up a bit differently. Okay, number 11, t is 4v add 3. Work out the value of t when v is 2. Okay, so we're just gonna get t is 4 times 2 add 3, which is 8 add 3, which is 11. Okay, then for part B, make v the subject of the formula t equals 4v add 3. So that means to get v on its own. So t is 4v add 3. Let's start by subtracting the 3. So we get t minus 3 is 4v. And then we need to get rid of the 4. We do that by dividing. So t minus 3 all over 4 is v. Cool. Okay, number 12. The diagram shows a cube of side length 2 centimeters. Vera says the volume of any solid made with 6 of these cubes is 48 centimeters cubed. Part A is very correct. You must show your working. Okay, so the volume of a cube is the base times, well, the length times the width times the height. So the volume of the cube is 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters. So that does indeed give us 8 centimeters cubed. So, if you're making a solid, a 3D shape with 6 of these cubes, then the volume of that shape, or the solid, is 6 times 8. Six times 8 centimeters cubed, and that does give us 48 centimeters cubed. So, is very correct, yes. Okay, then for part B, part 1. we want to draw a cuboid that can be made with 6 of these cubes. Write the dimensions of the cuboid on your diagram. Okay, so the easiest way to do this would be, well, it's not really more difficult however we do it. So, because as well here they haven't said sketch, it would be a good idea to use a ruler to do this properly. So I'm just going to go for a cuboid which is 2 cubes wide and 3 cubes long. So the dimensions are going to be 4 centimeters wide, 6 centimeters back, and 2 centimeters high. Cool. Okay, then part 2 wants us to work out the surface area of our cuboid. Okay, so we have 3 different sized faces. So at the front we've got 4 centimeters by 2. So the area of that is 8 centimeters squared. The top is 4 by 6. So the area of the top and bottom faces is 4 times 6, which is 24. And then the other face that we have is 2 high, 6 long. So those are 12 centimeters squared. Now we have 2 of each face, front and back, top and bottom, left and right. So total surface area is 16. Add 48. Add 24 centimeters squared, which gives us 88 centimeters squared. Okay, number 13. This is a fun one. So the size of the largest angle in a triangle is 4 times the size of the smallest angle. The other angle is 27 degrees less than the largest angle. We want to work out in degrees the size of each angle in the triangle. And of course we must show our working. Okay, so what do we know about a triangle? So I don't think really drawing a sketch here is going to help. But we know the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. So let's write that down first of all. Okay, now that we're told that the largest angle is 4 times the smallest angle. So if we call the smallest angle x, we can then call the largest angle 4x. So the largest is 4x. Now we're told the other angle is 27 degrees less than the largest. So the other then is 4x minus 27. Now, if we add all of those together, we get x add 4x add 4x, so that's 9x, minus 27. So that's all 3 angles added together. Now we know that has to be 180. So now we have an equation in terms of x that we can solve. So add 27 to both sides. That means 9x is 207. So if we divide by 9, 207 divided by 9 is 23. So the smallest angle is 23 degrees. Now the largest angle then is 4 times 23. And that is 92. And then the other one is 92 minus 27, which is 72 minus 7, 65. Sure, there are 3 angles. Okay, number 14. So, 6 marks altogether, 5 and 1. So, Andy went on holiday to Canada. His flights cost a total of £1,500. Andy stayed for 14 nights. His hotel room cost $196 per night. Andy used Wi-Fi for 12 days. Wi-Fi cost $5 per day. The exchange rate was $1.9 to £1. We want to work out the total cost of the flights, hotel and Wi-Fi, giving our answer in pounds. Okay, so what we need to do is find the total cost of the hotel and the Wi-Fi in dollars first of all, then turn that into pounds and add it onto the cost of the flights. So the hotel room was $196 times 14. Okay, so I'm not going to try and do that in my head. That's going to give us 2,744. Okay, and then the Wi-Fi, well that's 12 times $5. Now that is $60. Now, if we add those together, and then we get $2,804. Okay, so we now need to turn that into pounds. So the exchange rate was $1.9 to £1. So that means every $1.9 is £1. So we now need to know how many lots of 1.9 are in 2,804. So to do that, we do 2,804 divided by 1.9, and that is going to give us 1,475 £79. So the total cost is the 1,500 add 1475.79 and that is going to give us 2,975 pounds and 79p. Okay, then for part B and 1 mark, if there were fewer dollars to £1, what effect would this have on the cost of Andy's holiday? So, if there are less dollars to £1, essentially when you buy currency, or when you exchange currency, you are buying currency. So, if instead of getting $1.90 to £1, say that we got $1.50 to £1, currency is more expensive, so Andy's holiday would have cost him more. Okay, number 15, we have some Venn diagram fun. So our universal set is the odd numbers less than 30. Set A is 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. Set B is 5, 15, 25. Part A wants us to complete the Venn diagram to represent this info. Okay, so it's completely blank, So we need to label the circles. So let's call that one A and that one B. Now, any number in set A that is not also in set B would go in here. Anything just in set B but not A goes there. Anything in both of them goes in the middle, and anything in neither set goes in the outer rectangle. So we need to put all the odd numbers less than 30 somewhere inside this Venn diagram. So first step, 1 is in neither, 3 is in A, 5 is in B, 7 is in neither, 9 is in A, 12, no, what am I on about? 11 is in neither, 13 neither, 15 is in both, so that goes in the middle. 17 neither, 19 neither, 21 is in A, 23 is in neither, 25 is in B, 27 is in A, and finally 29 is in neither. So there is our completed Venn diagram. Part B says a number is chosen at random from the universal set. We want to, or we're asked, what is the probability that the number is in the set A union B? So what that means is A or B or both. So altogether we have 15 numbers in the universal set. So the bottom of the fraction is 15. So then we need to know how many numbers are inside the circles. So I'll make it 7. So the probability is 7 out of 15. Okay, number 16, simultaneous equations. So if you're not sure on these, check out my playlist down below. So we want to solve 3x add y equals minus 4 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. Now the first step with these is to label each equation 1 and 2. Now the first goal is to try and get two equations with the same amount of the same letter. We already have that, both have 3x. So the reason we want that is that we can now cancel x from both equations using subtraction. So we are going to do, now it doesn't matter which way around you do it, we can do equation 1 take equation 2 or 2 take 1. So here I'm going to do 1 take 2. So 3x take 3x is nothing, that's the whole point. Y minus minus 4 is y, add 4y. So that's going to give us 5y. And on the right, minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. Divide by 5, y is minus 2. So, now that we know the value of y, we can find the value of x. So I'm going to substitute y is minus 2 into equation 1. So we're going to get 3x minus 2 is minus 4. Add 2 to both sides. 3x is minus 2. And then divide by 3. X is minus 2/3. Okay, number 17. So the table shows some information about the dress sizes of 25 women. Part A wants us to find the median dress size. Okay, so the median is the middle. So if we were to put all of these women in order according to their dress size, we would get 2 8s, 9 10s, etc. But we don't want to have to write them all out. Instead, we can find which woman would be the median. So to do that, when you have an odd number of things, you add 1 to it and divide by 2. So 25 add 1 is 26, divided by 2 is 13. So the 13th woman is the median. So we then need to go through the frequencies and add them up until we are in an interval where the total frequency was 13 or more. So going down from the top, we got 2, which is definitely not in there. Add 9, 11, still no. Add the 8 in the third row, and that's 19. So the 13th woman has a dress size of 12. So the answer is 12. Okay, then for part B. 3 of the 25 women have a shoe size of 7. So he says that if you choose at random from one of the 25 women, the probability that she has either a shoe size of 7 or a dress size 14 is 9/25, because 3/25 add 6/25 is 9/25. Is Zoe correct? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, so the 6 out of 25 then has come from the fact that 6 of the women have a dress size of 14. Now, the problem is, there's nothing to say that a woman can't have a shoe size of 7 and dress size of 14. So Zoe is not right. For her to be right, all of the women with dress size 14 must not have shoe size of 7. Okay, next up, question all about cake types. So, Daniel makes 420 cakes. He makes vanilla cakes, banana cakes, lemon cakes, and chocolate cakes. 2/7 of the cakes are vanilla, 35% of the cakes are banana. The ratio of lemon to chocolate is 4 to 5. We want to work out how many lemon cakes he makes. Okay, so we can work out, first of all, the number of vanilla and the number of banana. So, vanilla is 2/7 of 420. Now you can do that on your calculator, put in 2/7 times 420, and you will get 120. Then for the banana, that's 35% of 420. Now on your calculator you can do that by doing 0.35 times 420, and you're going to get 100 and 126, 147. So altogether, if we work out the total of those, we get 267. So that means on the lemon and chocolate cakes have to make up 420 minus 267. Now that is 153. So we then want to split 153 in the ratio 4 to 5. So every one lot of that ratio is worth 9 cakes. We then want to know how many lots of that ratio are in 153. So 153 divided by 9. And that is 17. So there are 17 lots of that ratio, which means there is 17 times 4 lemon cakes. And that is going to give us 68. Boom. Okay, number 19 we have angles in polygons. So, in the diagram, AB, BC and CD are the sides of a regular polygon P. So, those three sides are this guy, and this guy. So, two of the sides are sides of a square, and the other is the side of this regular 12-sided polygon. And we want to show that polygon P is a hexagon. We must show our working. Okay, so what do we know? Well, what we're going to need to do is work out some angles. Now we know this square, just like any other square, has 90-degree angles. So that's that done. Now, what we're going to need to know is, well, we're going to need to work out these other two angles. So, really, this is the guy that we want. To get that, we're also going to need to work out that one too. Okay. So, how do we know what the interior angle of a hexagon should be? Good question. Well, hopefully you've seen this trick before. Draw a hexagon. Now from one of the corners, draw straight lines out to any other corner that you can. So for example, we can go from there to there, there to there, and there to there. Now what I've done inside this hexagon is I've created 4 triangles. So the sum of the interior angles, just going to call that IA, is 4 times 180. Which is 720. Now in a regular hexagon, all the angles are the same, so one interior angle is 720 divided by 6, which is 120 degrees. So what we need to show then is that this red angle is 120 degrees. Now what we also need to know for the 12-sided polygon is what exterior angles are. So using our hexagon again, an exterior angle is when one of the sides carries on like that, and then the angle between that and the next side is an exterior angle. So from that there are 2 important facts. So an exterior angle, add interior angle, because they make up angles on a straight line, they add to 180, and also, no matter how many sides your shape has, the sum of the exterior angles is always 360 degrees. Now, a shape has the same number of exterior angles as sides. So, the exterior angle of the 12-sided polygon is 360 divided by 12. Which is 30 degrees. So then we know the interior angle. Add 30 is 180. So then the interior angle is 180 minus 30, it's 150. So now we know two of these angles around the point. Now, angles around a point add up to 360. So, if we do, first of all, 150, add 90, we get 240. So then finally, 360 minus 240 is 120 degrees. Therefore, B is a hexagon. Cool. Okay, number 20. So the density of apple juice is 1.05 grams per centimetre cubed. The density of fruit syrup is 1.4 grams per centimetre cubed. And for carbonated water, it's 0.99 grams per centimetre cubed. 25 centimetres cubed of apple juice are mixed with 15 centimetres cubed of fruit syrup and 280 centimetres cubed of carbonated water to make a drink with a volume of 320 centimetres cubed. We want to work out the density of the drink, giving our answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so density is mass divided by volume. Now, if you struggle to remember that, look at the info that we're given. So we're told the density is blah 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 grams per centimetre cubed. Grams is mass, centimetres cubed is volume, and you can think of per as a fraction line. So density is mass over volume. Now what we're going to need to work out for the whole drink is the total mass, because we already know we know the volume, 320. So from this formula, if we multiply through by volume, we get mass is density times volume. So, for the apple juice, we do 1.05 times 25. And that's going to give us 26.25 grams. For the syrup, we're then going to do 1.4 times 15. That's going to give us 21 grams. And then for the water, zero 0.99 times 280. And that gives us 277.2 grams. Now, if we add that all up, total mass is 324.45 grams. So then density is that divided by the volume 320 centimeter cubed. Now to two decimal places, that gives us 1.01 grams per centimeter cubed. Okay, number 21 wants us to prove that these two triangles are mathematically similar. So, if they are similar, then all of their lengths are connected by the same scale factor. Now, to find the scale factor, we do the big length divided by the small length. So, this 7.5 centimeter side corresponds with this 3 centimeter side. Now, 7.5 divided by 3 is 2.5. So, if these two triangles are similar, then the other two pairs of sides will be connected by 2.5. So, the 10 centimeter side there corresponds to 4 centimeter side there. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. Bingo. And then for the third one, 12.5 corresponds to 5. 12.5 divided by 5, surprise surprise, gives us 2.5. Therefore, the triangles are similar. Okay, number 22 wants us to complete the table of values for y equals 6 over x. So, 6 over x means 6 divided by x. So, 6 divided by 0.5, again remember you can use your calculator, it's 12. 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Cool. So, then part B says on the grid, draw the graph of y equals 6 over x for values of x from 0.5 to 6. So you need to plot each of these coordinates. So x is your along, y is your up. So for example, the first one we want to plot is 0.512. Make sure you're happy with the scale. So going along, every big square is 1. So 0.5 would be there. Going up every big square is 2. So 0.512 is this point here. Do that for the rest. And then join them up. Don't use a ruler. You've got to try and freehand it. Can't be worse than mine. So you should get something that looks like that. Okay, number 23, final question. So Harley's house has a value of 160,000 to two significant figures. A power 1 wants us to write down the least possible value of his house. So the smallest number that would round up to 160,000 to two sig figs. So that's going to be 155,000. Okay, then A part 2 wants us to write down the greatest possible value of his house. So upper bounds are a bit of a funny one. We use the smallest number that wouldn't round down. So that's going to be 165,000. However, really, I would say that should be 164,999 pounds 99p, and you do get away with that in the mark scheme, because really 165,000 rounds up to 170,000, but 165,000 is really what they look for. Okay, then for part B, we are told the value of Rita's house increased by 5%. Her house then had a value of 210,000. Work out the value of Rita's house before the increase. Okay, so Rita's house originally was worth 100% of what her house was worth. So we know that 100% add 5% is £210,000. So 105% is £210,000. Now, what we want to do is get back to 100%. So, we can do this in 2 moves. If we divide both sides by 105, on the left we will have 1%, and that is going to give us £2,000. We can then get to 100% by dividing it, multiplying by 100. So 100% is 200,000 pounds. Good times. Alright guys, paper done. Hope it's been useful. Give us a thumbs up, get subscribed. Remember the playlist with every past paper is down below in the description. Take it easy, take care, have a great day.